Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we delve into the realm of outdoor living spaces, focusing specifically on the enduring appeal and practicality of outdoor paver patios. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For homeowners seeking to enhance their property and create functional yet aesthetically pleasing areas, understanding the nuances of paver patios is paramount. Let us embark on a detailed exploration of this popular landscaping feature. To begin, let us define what exactly constitutes an outdoor paver patio. At its core, an outdoor paver patio is a ground-level exterior space constructed using individual paving stones, commonly referred to as pavers. These pavers are typically made from materials such as concrete, brick, natural stone, like flagstone, travertine, or bluestone, or even recycled plastic. Unlike poured concrete or asphalt, paver patios consist of numerous interlocking or closely laid units that create a cohesive and durable surface. The installation process generally involves preparing a stable base of compacted gravel and sand, upon which the pavers are meticulously arranged in a chosen pattern. The joints between the pavers are then often filled with sand or polymeric sand to provide stability and inhibit weed growth. In essence, an outdoor paver patio is a thoughtfully designed and constructed extension of your indoor living space, intended for various outdoor activities, relaxation, and entertainment. Now, let us consider the compelling advantages of opting for an outdoor paver patio over other patio materials. The benefits are numerous and contribute significantly to their popularity among homeowners. Firstly, durability is a key advantage. Pavers are manufactured to withstand significant weight and the rigors of various weather conditions, including freezing and thawing cycles, without cracking or deteriorating as easily as poured concrete. Secondly, low maintenance is a significant draw. Unlike wood decks that require regular staining or sealing, paver patios generally only need occasional sweeping and washing. Individual damaged pavers can also be easily replaced without the need to repair an entire slab. Thirdly, design versatility is a major asset. Pavers come in a vast array of shapes, sizes, colors, and textures, allowing for intricate patterns and designs that can complement any architectural style or landscape aesthetic. This flexibility enables homeowners to create truly unique and personalized outdoor spaces. Fourthly, paver patios offer excellent drainage. The small gaps between the pavers allow rainwater to percolate into the ground, reducing runoff and preventing puddling, which can enhance safety and usability. Fifthly, paver patios can increase property value. A well-designed and professionally installed paver patio is often seen as a valuable addition to a home, enhancing its curb appeal and overall marketability. Finally, pavers offer flexibility in repairs and alterations. If underground utilities need access, individual pavers can be lifted and replaced without leaving unsightly patches. Similarly, if you wish to expand or modify your patio in the future, it is often a simpler process with pavers compared to continuous surfaces. How do I decorate my outdoor paver patio to look good? Transforming your outdoor paver patio into an inviting and visually appealing space requires thoughtful decoration. The key is to create a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics that reflects your personal style and enhances your outdoor living experience. Consider the following elements. First, comfortable seating. Invest in durable and weather-resistant outdoor furniture such as sofas, armchairs, and dining sets. Choose materials like wicker, aluminum, teak, or rust-proof metal with comfortable cushions in outdoor-friendly fabrics. Arrange seating areas to facilitate conversation and relaxation. Second, textiles and soft furnishings. Introduce outdoor rugs to define seating or dining areas and add texture and color. Weather-resistant throw pillows and blankets can enhance comfort and visual appeal, especially during cooler evenings. Third, greenery and planters. Incorporate a variety of plants in different sizes and textures using attractive planters. Consider container gardening with flowers, shrubs, or even small trees to add life and vibrancy to your patio. Vertical gardening solutions can also be effective for smaller spaces. Fourth, lighting. Thoughtful lighting can dramatically transform your patio, especially in the evening. Consider a combination of ambient lighting such as string lights or lanterns, task lighting like pathway lights or spotlights, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or plants. Solar-powered options are energy efficient and easy to install. Fifth, decorative accents. Introduce decorative elements that reflect your personal style. This could include outdoor sculptures, wind chimes, water features like small fountains, or interesting pottery. Ensure these items are weather-resistant. Sixth, shade solutions. Depending on the orientation of your patio, consider adding shade structures such as umbrellas, pergolas, or awnings to provide relief from the sun and extend the usability of your space. Seventh, outdoor dining essentials. If you plan to dine outdoors, ensure you have a suitable dining table and chairs. Consider adding serving pieces, placemats, and other decorative elements to enhance your outdoor dining experience. Eighth, entertainment features. Depending on your lifestyle, you might consider adding outdoor speakers for music, a portable fire pit for cooler evenings, or even an outdoor projector screen for movie nights. Ninth, define zones. If you have a larger patio, consider creating distinct zones for different activities, such as a dining area, a lounge area, and perhaps even a small outdoor kitchen or bar area. Use rugs, furniture arrangement, and changes in elevation or paver patterns to define these zones. 10th, personal touches. Finally, add personal touches that make the space uniquely yours. This could include displaying artwork created by family members, incorporating souvenirs from your travels, or simply arranging items in a way that brings you joy. What are the best ideas for outdoor paver patio? To provide you with inspiration, here are 10 compelling ideas for your outdoor paver patio. 1. The classic rectangular patio with fire pit. A timeless design featuring a straightforward rectangular paver layout, providing ample space for dining and lounging. The focal point is a built-in or portable fire pit, perfect for cool evenings and creating a cozy ambience. Consider using natural-toned pavers like gray or beige for a sophisticated look, and surround the fire pit with comfortable Adirondack chairs. 2. The multi-level patio with integrated seating. For patios on slightly sloped terrain, consider a multi-level design connected by short steps or landings. Incorporate built-in seating along the edges of the lower level using the same or complementary pavers. This creates distinct zones and adds architectural interest. Plantings cascading down the levels can enhance the visual appeal. 3. The Mediterranean-inspired courtyard. Utilize warm-toned pavers like terracotta or sandstone in intricate patterns, perhaps incorporating mosaic accents. Add wrought iron furniture, large terracotta planters filled with vibrant flowers like bougainvillea or geraniums, and a small water feature to evoke a Mediterranean feel. String lights overhead will enhance the ambience in the evening. 4. The natural stone patio with lush landscaping. Opt for irregular natural stone pavers like flagstone or bluestone for a rustic and organic look. Integrate the patio seamlessly with surrounding landscaping, allowing plants to soften the edges. Incorporate natural elements like wooden benches and perhaps a small pond or rock garden nearby. 5. The contemporary patio with clean lines. Choose large, uniform pavers in a monochromatic color scheme, e.g., charcoal gray or, laid in a simple grid pattern. Pair with modern outdoor furniture featuring clean lines and minimalist design. Incorporate architectural planters and subtle lighting to maintain a sleek aesthetic. 6. The outdoor kitchen and dining oasis. Designate a portion of your paver patio to accommodate an outdoor kitchen with a grill, countertop, and perhaps even a small refrigerator. Create a distinct dining area nearby with a spacious table and comfortable chairs, perfect for al fresco meals and entertaining. 7. The cozy lounge area with pergola. Define a specific area of your patio as a comfortable lounge space with plush outdoor sofas, armchairs, and a coffee table. Install a pergola overhead, which can be adorned with climbing plants or outdoor curtains for added shade and privacy. Soft outdoor rugs and ambient lighting will enhance the cozy atmosphere. 8. The playful patio with games area. If you have children, consider incorporating a designated play area within your paver patio. This could include space for outdoor games like cornhole or giant Jenga. Use colorful pavers or create patterns to define this zone. Ensure the surface is even and safe for play. 9. The Zen Garden Patio. Create a tranquil and minimalist patio space using smooth, neutral-toned pavers. Incorporate elements of a Zen garden, such as carefully placed rocks, a small water feature, like a bubbling rock, and perhaps a sand or gravel area for raking patterns. Keep the planting simple and serene, using bamboo or ornamental grasses. 10. The covered patio extension. Extend your indoor living space seamlessly by creating a covered paver patio adjacent to your house. Use similar or complementary pavers to your indoor flooring to create a cohesive transition. Incorporate comfortable seating, outdoor lighting, and perhaps even an outdoor television for year-round enjoyment. The outdoor paver patio stands as a versatile and enduring choice for enhancing your outdoor living experience. From its inherent durability and low maintenance to the boundless design possibilities, a well-crafted paver patio can significantly elevate your property's functionality and aesthetic appeal. We encourage you to consider the benefits and ideas discussed today as you plan your own outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us on Homes Decor Designs. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor and design inspiration. We look forward to bringing you more valuable content in our future episodes. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.